open a file. I'm going to create a new file in Eclipse. Okay, so then you can see there project link, and once you go there you can select this JavaFx project. All right, so you can hit next here. Okay, so the main important things here is your execution environment. Okay, so in here by default its execution environment is set here as in Java Standard Edition 14 version 14. So what you can do here, you can select the Java Standard Edition 1.8 over there, and then you have to just check these configurations. So if you go in this configuration, what happened? You cannot see any 1.8. So if you cannot see 1.8 over there, it means you are not going to be execute any JavaFX project. So we need to install JDK 1.8. all right, and that installation should be inside of your library and then Java folder, and inside of Java folder there is Java virtual machine folder, and inside there you need to install that JDK 1.8. so we haven't installed yet. Okay, so what I'm going to do, if I'm going to do any sort of things over there, like if you go and try to hit anything, it's not going to create JavaFX project. So we need to have 1.8. That's why I'm now going to show you how can we do that. All right, so you have to just go into your Oracle site. I have already created my account over here, and I have already downloaded Mac OS 64-bit this JDK 1.8, which I have already downloaded, so you guys can download. All right, so okay, after downloading this one, now you need to install that 1.8. so now I'm going to hit here. All right, I'm going to install this system, this JDK 8, and I'm going to hit here, and you can see, okay, it comes up over here. So this is JDK 8 update 281 installer. So you can continue, and it has taken me straight away into installation type. All right, and if you go and hit install, okay, so you can see this JDK machine is, this JDK 1.8 is going to be installed in that virtual, that folder locations. All right, so after doing this one, you can see, okay, just wait. Okay, now we have succeeded to install this package. So okay, I'm going to keep there. So after doing this one, what happened now, if you go and check, okay, if you go and check in my this machine, inside of this library, inside of this Java folder, and inside there is Java virtual machines. So now this 1.8 has been installed there. Okay, it has been installed there. So now I need to specify that particular 1.8. all right, so how can I specify those things here in my Eclipse? So just you have to see here, I need to go inside of this configure JREs. all right, so I'm going to put there that configure JREs, and then you can even search that. Okay, so look at here, you can straight away it has taken to that folder, and I can see that particular source 1.8. just select that one, and if you go and hit open there, okay, so what happens, it has found. Okay, so this Java 1.6 was already there. Okay, 14, it is the current one, but now you can see it has found this 1.8. okay, JDK 1.8 has been found there. So now it has connected with that particular JRE files, and you can apply that JDK, JREs, and you have to hit apply here and close. Okay, so now we have selected the Java Standard Edition 1.8, and we have configured our JRE files. Okay, we have configured. Even if you go there and even if you check there, now you can see that 1.8 is there. So now it's going to work. And what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to put the 9. So I'm going to put the 9 here is a real there. Okay, and after doing that, you can see there is a finish button. All right, so you have to just go and hit finish over there. So after doing that, now let's go into this real. Okay, so inside of this source folder, you can see the application, and inside of that application, now we can see main.java. So now you can see and look, and even if you want to run this, I mean the default code, and if you go and hit here like and run as a Java application, and it will give you the output. Look, this is a blank page, this is a blank GUI we have got here. So try this one, and I'm 100% sure it's going to work for you. Okay, so if you have anything, then just send me an email and I'll try to reply you with all the methods.